It's Friday, so I am drinking White Claw out of my Girl Boss cup. Pretty legit. I'm happy. It's been a good day. So let's talk about hair color and how you can make it last longer, shall we? Let's do it. Cheers. All right, so the first tip that I have for you, I have been doing hair for 6 years and I've had red hair for 4 of those 6 years, and red is one of the hardest colors to keep in the hair. So don't wash your hair every day. That is my first bit of advice for you. Washing your hair every day is going to strip your color and dry your hair out, and your hair is going to feel like hay. We don't want your hair to feel like hay. So if you can, go every other day to start out with. Maybe use dry shampoo on that off day. Dry shampoo is a lifesaver. It is amazing. It's going to help take the oil off your scalp, and it's going to make your hair refreshed. It doesn't help after your hair has so much buildup, but it's actually going to just help get the oil off of your scalp. So that is what you would do on the off day. Start 1 week, do every other day, dry shampoo in between. The next week, do every 2 days, dry shampoo both the 2 days off that you're not washing your hair until you just can't stand it anymore. Tip number 2, watch your water temperature when your hair is underwater. So the water temperature is a huge factor in why your hair color actually strips out of your hair. Your hair cuticle is going to open if the water is hot. So an open cuticle is going to let that color out. Don't let the color out. You don't want it to come out. So cooler temperature, more of a lukewarm. I'm not saying that you have to freeze yourself to death in the shower, but I suggest making sure that you are using a temperature that does not feel warm in the slightest, because that is going to close your cuticle and is going to keep the color in there much longer than what hot water does. So on to number 3. 3 is my favorite because people like to tell me all the time,
oh, stylists just suggest products because they want to make some money.
no, I can promise you right now that when you get your hair colored and spend $150, I am going to suggest a shampoo that is a professional grade shampoo, because I know for a fact that it is not going to rinse your hair color out down the drain and there goes your money. You know, maybe just burn some $100 bills or something, and just, you know, that gives you an easy representation of what is happening. Using a professional shampoo is actually going to help with the longevity of your hair. It's going to help with the dryness of your hair, and it is also going to help with the shine of your hair. So I did a little test to actually show you guys what a drugstore brand shampoo can do to your hair compared to our Lanza Healing Hair Care line that we carry here at the salon. So if you actually take a look, I will show you the video of the process that we did, but these 2 cups are compared to how much you are rinsing down your drain every time you wash your hair. This looks like lemonade, almost fruit punch lemonade, I would say. This is the adequate amount and the normal amount of hair color that should be coming out with each wash with Lanza Hair Care, and this is actually with their clarifying shampoo. So a clarifying shampoo is going to go in and it's actually going to take off all of that grit and buildup on your hair every time you put product on, anytime that you do wash your hair and put a leave-in conditioner, anything like that, that is on your hair and that is buildup. So what the clarifying shampoo does is it's going to take out all of that and make sure that you start fresh with a new canvas, but it is not going to strip your hair color, which is amazing. In terms of what you should be seeing go down the drain, this is nothing. This is not good. This was my hair color that we used in this test. So the extensions that I have that are my hair color, this was after 1 time in there for 1 minute. We only soaked it for 1 minute. That means that if you were washing your hair every day with hot water and using crappy shampoo, that is what is getting rinsed down the drain every single day. That is so wasteful. When you could spend a little extra money, buy a good shampoo, and you will not see as much fading in 8 weeks. And I know that you're gonna say that we're just trying to make a buck, but we're not. I promise you that 99% of us stylists, we want to keep your hair color shiny, bright, and feeling fresh, because that means you're going to come back and see us and trust us with your hair. And I would rather have you trust us with your hair than say, oh, well, my hair color faded in 3 weeks and that was definitely my stylist's fault. No, it's not our fault, it's your shampoo. Sorry, not sorry. Shouldn't drink White Claws while I film. Moral of the story is longevity of your hair is very important when you're spending money on it. So please, please, please be using a salon professional brand at home. I know it sucks to pay $30 for shampoo, but it is definitely worth it. And you will thank your stylist for telling you that. We're not just telling you that to make a buck. We are telling you because we don't want to have you come back in 3 weeks later because you're worried about your color. So that's kind of what I wanted to show you guys. And remember, it's okay to have a little color come out, but you don't want it to look like lemonade. Thanks, guys. Hope you have a great day. Bye. Coloring your hair. Enunciate. Coloring your hair. So I'm sure that there's a couple other of you